In this brief video, I'm going to show you some ways in Blackboard Ultra the course view allows you to structure and organize your content. I am logged on to your Ultra training course right now. You may have noticed that the course is broken down into 3 modules. Modules 1, 2, and 3. At the bottom of the page, there is a plus sign. To add a module, you will click the plus sign outside of any other module in your Ultra course when you are ready to start adding your course information. You will click Create, then click the first course content item, Learning Module. You then see New Learning Module in your list of items on your main course page. Click the pencil next to the words New Learning Module to edit the name. You can have your own naming schema for your course modules. The naming schemas according to our ECP rubric are weeks, units, or modules. For this exercise, I'm going to call it a module. Once you have created and named the module, you may want to reflect back to your course map or your course outline to refresh your plan for laying out your content. As you create your course, you will add content in an order in which you wish for your students to complete. This will lessen confusion for your students. Once you have created your module, you're ready to start building your content. Click inside the module and you can add a description of the information that will be covered in that module by clicking Add Description. Click the plus sign inside of the course module and you will be given options to create, copy content, upload, content market, cloud storage, and content collection. But for now, we are only going to create a document. Click Create. Then click Document. Then you would add content. But for now, I'm going to move to another course that will allow you to see what a module layout should look like. Creating a document in this area will give us an opportunity to let students know what will be covered or a module overview. List competencies that are covered in the module, the activities that they will complete in the module. This overview of the module should always be the first thing listed in each module. As you build course content in order, take a look at a student view. You will notice that the student has an arrow at the top that will allow them to move forward and backward through the class. If the students take advantage of this feature, they will easily be able to move through the module in an order that you designed the information. As you create your course, make sure that you do not use folders unless you have additional content. The navigation feature will not work inside folders. You may add content inside the module using a folder to contain information that is extra or additional to the course, but do not use folders that contain coursework. When building your new course, build in sequential order so that students always know what they should do next. Thank you. I hope this helps as you begin to move your mapped courses to your Ultra course. Thanks.